Have you ever noticed a guy who doesn't play by society's rules? The one who's rewriting the playbook on social engagement without even saying a word? Meet the Sigma male, the enigma who's got everyone talking, yet he barely says a word. What's his secret? And why do people like him choose a path less traveled by friends? In the fast-paced dance of social hierarchies, Sigma males move to their own rhythm. They are the masters of their journey, often misunderstood, always intriguing. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of Sigma males, uncovering why they often walk alone, not out of necessity, but by choice. It's a world where fewer friends mean deeper connections, where solitude is not loneliness, but a selective interaction. If you're curious about the silent rebels among us, or if this peek behind the curtain has caught your attention, don't just sit there. Hit the like, subscribe, and share this journey into the unknown. Let's unravel the mystery together. No fluff, just the intriguing reality of the Sigma male. The enigmatic world of Sigma males. Sigma males are like lone wolves. They choose to walk alone, not because they have to, but because they want to. They're different from the others. You won't see them in big groups or trying to be the center of attention. They keep to themselves, but that doesn't mean they're not confident. They're very sure of who they are. These guys don't follow the crowd, they make their own paths. While everyone else might be chasing popularity, Sigma males focus on their goals. They're not interested in what everyone else thinks is cool. They have their own interests and they're very passionate about them. Friendship for Sigma males is special. They don't have a lot of friends, but the ones they have are close. They value quality over quantity. When they make a friend, it's someone they trust and care about. Sigma males enjoy their own company. They find peace in solitude. This doesn't mean they're lonely. They prefer meaningful interactions over small talk. They're the type of people who think deeply about life and what they want from it. In a world that's always connected, Sigma males stand out. They remind us that it's okay to be different and to follow our own path. Embracing independence. Sigma males cherish their independence more than anything. They feel comfortable being alone, exploring new ideas, and working on personal projects. They don't rely on others to find their way in the world. Instead, they trust their own instincts and abilities. This independence isn't about showing off or proving something to others. It's about living life on their own terms. Sigma males don't wait for permission or follow the usual steps laid out by society. They're not afraid to take a different route that might be less traveled but more aligned with their values and interests. Their approach to life can be inspiring. It shows that it's possible to carve out a unique path and find success and satisfaction outside conventional norms. This doesn't mean they never face challenges or doubts, but when they do, they use these moments as opportunities to learn and grow rather than reasons to give up. Sigma males also understand the power of self-reflection. They think about their actions, goals, and what they truly want. This introspection helps them make the right decisions, not just what's expected or popular. If you're drawn to living independently, finding your own way, and not being bound by traditional roles, you might find the Sigma male's approach to life compelling. Remember, it's not about being alone. It's about being true to yourself. If this resonates with you, consider joining our community by subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Together, we can explore the many ways to live a fulfilling, independent life. Mastering social dynamics. Sigma males possess a unique understanding of social dynamics. Unlike the traditional alpha, who dominates conversations and environments through overt leadership, Sigmas navigate social situations more subtly. They're observers first, analyzing the room and understanding the interplay of personalities without needing to be at the center of attention. This skill allows them to influence situations and people in a way that often goes unnoticed, but is highly effective. They can connect with others deeper because they listen more than they speak. When they share their thoughts, their words carry weight, making others more inclined to listen and consider their viewpoints. Their social approach is not about manipulation, but about understanding and respect. Sigma males value authentic connections and are usually straightforward in their interactions. They prefer meaningful conversations over small talk and seek people who share similar depths of thought and interest. This ability to navigate social landscapes without needing external validation is a powerful trait of the Sigma male. It shows that you don't need to fit a conventional leadership mold to have influence or to form meaningful relationships. Instead, it's about understanding people, respecting their individuality, and communicating authentically and respectfully. The Sigma's approach to social dynamics can teach us a lot about the importance of listening, understanding, and respecting others' perspectives. It's a reminder that actual influence comes not from the loudest voice, but from the most thoughtful one. Embracing solitude. In a world that often equates success with social visibility and constant connectivity, Sigma males stand out by finding strength in solitude. Unlike the more extroverted archetypes that thrive on social interactions, Sigmas see solitude not as loneliness, but as an opportunity for growth, reflection, and self-discovery. This preference for solitude allows Sigma males to develop a strong self-awareness. They understand their thoughts, emotions, and reactions to various situations. This introspection leads to a profound understanding of their values, beliefs, and goals, making them highly independent and self-sufficient individuals. Moreover, solitude fuels creativity and problem-solving in Sigma males. Free from the distractions and influences of a group, they can think more clearly and come up with innovative solutions and ideas. This time alone is not spent in idleness, but engaging with personal projects, learning new skills, or simply reflecting on life's mysteries. However, embracing solitude doesn't mean Sigma males are hermits or antisocial. They enjoy meaningful interactions, but on their own terms. They choose their social engagements carefully, preferring quality over quantity. This approach to life ensures that their interactions are genuine and impactful when they engage with others. The lesson from the Sigma approach to solitude is valuable for everyone, regardless of where you fall on the social spectrum. It reminds us that taking time for ourselves is not selfish, but essential for personal growth and happiness. It encourages us to find comfort in our company, explore our inner worlds, and cultivate a life that aligns with our deepest selves. The power of adaptability. Sigma males stand out for their remarkable ability to adapt to changing circumstances. This adaptability is not just about surviving, it's about thriving in various environments without losing their core identity. They easily navigate life's changes, making them seem like they're always one step ahead. The secret to a Sigma male's adaptability lies in their keen observation skills and deep understanding of their surroundings. They are quick to assess a situation and can adjust their strategies accordingly. This ability allows them to excel in environments where others might struggle to keep up. Adaptability also means Sigma males are comfortable with uncertainty. They don't need a rigid plan to feel secure. Instead, they trust in their ability to adapt and find solutions, making them resilient in facing challenges. This resilience is not just about bouncing back, it's about growing stronger and wiser with each obstacle they overcome. Moreover, their adaptability extends to their interactions with people. Sigma males can blend into various social settings without compromising their authenticity. They understand the dynamics at play and can engage with different personalities in a way that respects both their own boundaries and those of others. For those inspired by the Sigma male's adaptability, Consider the value of being open to change and the strength in flexibility. Embracing adaptability can lead to personal growth and unexpected opportunities. If this perspective on adaptability resonates with you, share your thoughts below. And if you're finding these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more content like this. Let's explore together how adaptability can transform our lives. The essence of self-sufficiency. An unwavering sense of self-sufficiency is at the heart of the Sigma male archetype. This trait is about more than caring for one's physical needs. It's almost emotional and intellectual independence. Sigma males embody the idea that relying on oneself is a path to personal freedom and a journey towards self-empowerment. Self-sufficiency for Sigma males means having the confidence to make decisions without seeking validation from others. They trust their judgment and rely on their abilities to navigate life's challenges. This independence is not born from arrogance, but a deep understanding of their strengths and limitations. Moreover, this trait is closely linked to their pursuit of personal goals. Sigma males are driven by their ambitions, not by society's expectations. They set their paths and follow them with determination, showing that one can achieve great things without conforming to traditional roles or relying on others for support. This approach to life encourages a profound sense of responsibility for one's actions and decisions. Sigma males understand that self-sufficiency comes with the duty to make informed choices and to bear the consequences of those choices, good or bad. For those looking to embrace a more self-sufficient lifestyle, consider what areas of your life you can become more independent. Whether learning a new skill, making decisions based on your judgment, or setting personal goals that resonate with you. Taking steps towards self-sufficiency can lead to a more fulfilling and autonomous life. Unleashing creativity, the Sigma's way. For a Sigma male, creativity isn't just a skill, it's a way of life. These individuals view the world through a lens of possibilities, often finding innovative solutions to complex problems. What sets them apart is their ability to think outside the box and their relentless pursuit of originality in all aspects of life. Sigma males thrive in environments where they can work independently, allowing creativity to flourish without constraints. They are the inventors, the thinkers, and the artists who prefer to pave their own path rather than follow the trodden road. This independence in thought and action enables them to explore intellectually and physically uncharted territories. Their creative process is often introspective, requiring periods of solitude to connect deeply with their thoughts and ideas. Unlike others who might seek constant collaboration, Sigma males find strength in quiet reflection, allowing their minds to wander to the furthest reaches of the imagination. This solitude is not a sign of isolation, but a necessary space for their creativity to bloom. To harness the power of creativity like a Sigma male, consider incorporating more independence into your work and thought processes. Allow yourself the freedom to explore ideas without immediately seeking validation or comparison. Embrace solitude as a tool for deep thought and reflection, and remember that the most groundbreaking ideas often come from the most unexpected places. Conclusion. The Sigma male archetype offers a refreshing perspective on individuality, independence, and inner strength. By embodying self-sufficiency, adaptability, and a preference for deep, meaningful connections over superficial ones, Sigma males challenge conventional social norms and highlight the value of walking one's own path. Their approach to life encourages introspection, personal growth, and a deeper understanding of social dynamics, proving that actual influence and fulfillment come from being authentic and genuine to oneself. Sigma males remind us that it's okay to diverge from the crowd, embrace solitude for self-discovery, and value quality in our relationships and endeavors. If you resonate with the Sigma male's journey towards independence, adaptability, and self-reflection, or if you're intrigued by this unique approach to life, we invite you to engage further. Hit the like button to show appreciation for exploring the enigmatic world of Sigma males. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into diverse personalities and how they navigate the complexities of life. Share this video to spark conversations and spread awareness about the Sigma male's intriguing perspective. And finally, join the discussion below by sharing your thoughts, experiences, or questions about the Sigma male archetype. Together, let's delve deeper into understanding the nuances of individuality and the power of forging our own paths in a world that often prizes conformity.